Hello, dear children of the city school. I welcome you all to our literacy class. As always, I would want you to ask your parents to sit with you during this lesson so that they can help you. And the topic for today is the digraph Qu. Let's get to know the objectives. Children will be able to identify individual sound Qu and identify Qu sound in words. So we will learn this new digraph today. Let's get to know what a digraph is. A digraph is a combination of two letters representing one sound, as Q and U are two separate letters, but together their sound is Qu. Okay, so let's make some words with the Qu sound. So, who do you think she is? Which lady wears a crown? Yes, a queen wears a crown. Blend the sounds with me. Qu, e, n. Queen. Well done. Which bird is this? Good job if you guessed it. It's a quail. Blend the sounds with me. Qu, a, l. Quail. Well done. What do you think? What is this? Yes, it's a quilt. Say it with me. Qu, a, l, t. Quilt. Very good. So the animal over here is a duck. What sound does a duck make? Well done. The sound a duck makes is quack. So the word over here will be quack. Blend the sounds. Qu, a, k. Quack. Excellent. So here's the challenge time. I will show you some pictures and you have to guess the word. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Can you guess the action over here? Yes, the picture is telling you to be quiet. Say it with me. Quiet. Can you see where the Qu sound is? Yes, it's in the beginning of the word. Well done. Look over here. Which mark is this? We use this to ask questions. So this is a question mark. The sound of Qu is in the beginning. Excellent. Well done, everybody. Here's the wrap-up. We have learned to identify individual sound Qu and to identify Qu sounds in words. Now it's your turn to solve the given worksheet. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye-bye.